Hi there, my name is Tressa and I'm here with Landscape Garden Centers here to share a little bit of information about the best plants for beginners. The first plant we have here, we've got a lovely little aloe vera. Aloe veras do very well in bright indirect light. Watering needs, they really don't need much. Give them a little drink of water when the top 2 inches of their soil is dry. Next, we have the Sansevieria. There's many different varieties of the Sansevieria, also known as snake tongue. These do well in anything from bright light to low light, and then again, do not need much water as well. And lastly, we have the spider plant. The spider plant is a fun plant that only needs about medium light. It would do well on a tabletop, and the best part is that it grows little spider babies that you could clip off and give to families or friends. Any other questions about houseplants, please feel free to stop out at Landscape Garden Centers and visit with one of our houseplant experts today.